got you a quick gift idea using dollar store candle holders and your Cricut printed vinyl. So let's go. We're in Cricut design space and we're going to create jars that say noted, clip it, and pin it. First thing I'm doing is just doing some text. I'm going to use my system text so that I don't have to buy any fonts. I can just use what I've got on my computer. I've picked out my font and now I'm going to ungroup it and I'm going to drag the letters together so that they look like a cursive word, and then I'm going to select it again. I'm going to weld it so it all becomes one big vinyl piece, and then I'm going to make sure that it's the right size for my jars, which I've already done. And now I'm going to continue on and I'm going to do the rest of them the same way. Okay, so we're just going to peel the vinyl up from the back so it doesn't curl on us. And then we're going to weed our vinyl. And this always is the part that takes the longest. So I'm just going to speed up the video and get this done. One of the tricks I use to get the vinyl on a round surface like this and not have it stick where you don't want it to is just to fold the backing paper underneath as you line it up. That way you don't accidentally stick your vinyl to your jar before you're ready for it. Start from the middle if you can. You might not be able to put it all the way around the jar, like I had to change that, but in the end it will stick. You can peel off the back part and it'll be on your jar just the way you need it to be. To finish off these jars, we're going to add some embellishments, and that just will make them pretty and just finish them off. It took me a while. I tried a few things. I'm just using leftover things from my craft stash like we all have and just working through it until I find something that I like. In the end, you will find something that you like on your jars and they'll each be unique and beautiful. Hey, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter to get access to our free, huge project library. Tons of craft projects, tutorials, patterns, all for free. And in your first newsletter, you'll get invited to our chat and craft sessions, where we help you get your craft projects started and help you find time to finish them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.